I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the earbuds to at least 20% and force them into pairing mode by holding the power or pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. On the tablet, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This creates the radio link needed to discover devices. Make sure you are within 1 to 3 meters and away from busy Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices, because interference is why pairing can fail early. Once Bluetooth is active, look at the tablet's available devices list and tap the earbud's name as soon as it appears. This initiates the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, enter zeros or accept the confirmation on both sides. This verifies identities and prevents accidental connections. If the earbuds don't show, make sure they aren't already paired to another phone. Use the tablet's forget or unpair option on any stale entry. Then restart pairing to force a finish by confirming audio flows to the earbuds. Play a short clip, and if needed, open the tablet's audio output selector to choose the earbuds. If you see connected but hear nothing, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart both devices. Often this clears stuck profiles. If problems persist, unpair and repair, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset of the earbuds following the manual. This clears old pairings and solves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.